What's up, guys? Alisha Walls here, and in this this is going to be a very short video. And I just wanted to come on here today to do, first of all, my little open package party. I received 2 packages today. And these are pretty thick packages, so these could be some large commissions. I'm not sure. But I did want to tell you guys that I'm actually, as you can notice, normally when I put my papers up, you can't see the flyer and things like that or whatever. But I was actually, I don't know how it happened, but it did. I'm so glad it did. I can actually put my flyer up there and it actually, you can see it now. I can't believe it. But it's fixed. That's a great thing. I do want to do one other thing also, to let you guys see what the sales letter look like in black and white and also in color. So, if you were to join the team, you can print this off in black and white if you would like, or in color. I also want to kind of I don't know if you can, I probably can't do that video on here, but that'll be a different video just to show you the difference in the thickness, of the paper. This right here is the 24-pound paper. This is the wrong one, actually. Anyway, this is the 24-pound paper, and the other one is like 20 pounds, I believe it is. But yes, I definitely wanted to let you guys know that it looks great on black and white. So you guys can print on black and white if you would like to once you join the team. A lot of people, they're kind of afraid to try to print it off on black and white because they don't know how it'll look. But this sales letter looks really nice on black and white. So, everything is legible and you're able to see the photos and all of that stuff that's there, what's what and all of that. So, that's a great thing, because a lot of people, they do want to print on their own. They really don't have any additional funds to order any letters from the company, which is absolutely fine. The company just wants you guys to know that they're there if you want to order more sales letters. But let's go ahead and get into this video. The first package is coming from, and let me see, can I cover it up with this finger of mine? I don't know. Let me use one of my envelopes here. It's coming from a Miss Tracy Harris. Congratulations, Miss Harris, for starting this journey with us here at the Elite Unlimited. Go ahead and open that. And Miss Tracy did follow the instructions. She did. Nice little coloring book. My daughter will love this. Thanks, Tracy. And let's see. Oh, and she has it taped to one of the pages. Wow, look at that. Taped to one of the pages. But anyway, let's go ahead and get this open here. I have to start using this thing here now just because of my finger. I got a paper cut on my broken finger, which is not good. But anyway, Miss Tracy is a person that has followed me for a very long time, and she actually expressed that to me. And it was really heartwarming, you know, to hear that from a person that's been following you on your YouTube channel, and you know, finally decide to join with you. So you know, that goes to show you that a person will watch you for a long time before they actually join you in any opportunity. So you want to make sure that, you know, you guys are doing things the way that you want people to see you. You know, I know people make you get out of character from time to time, but as long as you voice that opinion and keep moving from it and don't keep going back and forth, a person definitely understands where you're coming from. But Miss Tracy came in at the elite level. Do you guys see that? She came in at the elite level for the Elite Unlimited. And the Elite Unlimited elite level, guys, you receive $1,000 commission. $1,000 commission. So let's go ahead and show you first the 4 book of stamps that I received from Miss Tracy. And Tracy, you will receive your welcome email and all of that from the company if you have not already received that. But let's count this out. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $1,000. And this is just on a Monday. Today is just Monday, guys. So the first package is $1,000 and 4 books of stamps. Okay, let's see. Let's sit that to the side. My daughter's going to definitely love this color. My daughter loves the color, so she's definitely going to appreciate that, Miss Tracy. Thank you so much. Make sure nothing else is in there. Put that one to the side. And here's the last one. It's just as heavy as this one, but let's see. Because I see people are really, and this person put the tape on it, which I hate the tape on there, but I will go ahead and get this taken off. And this is for Miss Ruth. Hi, Miss Ruth. I've spoken with you a couple of times. I believe she's also she's one of my YouTube subscribers. I'm going to use this thing for this because I cannot open it with my finger. She's also a YouTube subscriber, and I'm not telling any of you guys to, you know, that you have to do this online at all, but you do get the word out to different people, especially if you have a following on, YouTube. You know, it's a really good way to reach those individuals and, you know, just let them know what you're actually doing, and that's what I'm doing here. She did put this in a magazine like she was supposed to. And you don't have to just use a magazine. I'm just going to tell you, you don't have to just use a magazine. You can use an old magazine, newspaper, coloring book, a crossword puzzle, several different sheets of paper put together, just as long as, you know, it's not like a big wad or nothing that's inside of your envelope. And this is what she put on the envelope for me, which is a nice black envelope. So that lets me know that she has done some type of direct mailing before, which is fantastic. Okay. And I received, let's see, 1 book of stamps, 2 books of stamps from Miss Ruth, and 3 books of stamps right here. 3 books of stamps from Miss Ruth. And let's see, let's open up this envelope here. I have to hurry because I have a very important team meeting that I want to do with my team tonight. And that's what you guys will receive. You will receive team meetings, team trainings, things like that to keep you up to date with your information of, you know, what's new in the company, how I love to do the advertising and things of that nature. Ms. Ruth came in on the prestige level. Let's see. I just want to cover up that other address down there. But this is not the form that you're supposed to use. This is like a screenshot of what the company actually sends you out in order to get your instructions, you know, where to send what to. You know, other companies, I won't mention any names, you know, even though it was a member to membership program, where you know, sent their letters out in the mail as well, but sometimes the person would join you on a lower level, and then they would have people joining them on a higher level, and so you would miss your commissions. So that's the whole point behind emailing the company when you want to come in at whatever level, just to make sure everyone is receiving the commission the way that they're supposed to. Okay, but she came in on the prestige level right here, as you can see. And for the prestige level, you receive $300 and 3 books of stamps. So that's 100, 200, 300, and the 3 books of stamps from Miss Ruth. Okay. So at a total for today, guys, that's $1,300 in one freaking day. One day over the weekend, and on a Monday when a lot of us are, you know, heading back to work, and you're pretty much saying to yourself, dang man, it's almost bill time and things like that. You know, once you guys get started, you're able to do the exact same thing. And just to let you know, once again, I love to keep reiterating this with you guys, that your name goes on a rotator for myself as well as for the company. So, you know, not saying to get in and not do any work just because your name is on a rotator, but that does give you a little bit of an edge over other opportunities and things like that, just because you're able to, you know, still get those signups from my rotator as well as the company rotator. And think about it, you know, I create YouTube videos, I promote on Facebook, I do offline marketing, and I use the same website because I like to be fair. You know, I like to be fair. I want my team to reap the benefits of, you know, what a little bit of my promoting, just to show them how to do this. That's the whole point, showing them how to promote your business. And once you promote your business, you're able to bring more people in because they see that you are a leader. They see that you do care about their well-being. So I just like to thank you guys for watching this video. Just wanted to show you this, just to let you know this will be, I think, the last open package party for me, just because I don't like to entice people with money. I'm only doing this just to show you guys how much you can possibly make in one day with this opportunity, because people like the fact that they have the color printed letters or postcards along with leads on pill and stick labels. So we all know that printing your sales letter and your stamps are the most expensive thing when it comes to doing offline marketing. And, you know, just the fact that you can receive stamps in the mail, this definitely gives me more stamps that I can send out my letters. And I do have postcards that I order from the company, and I'll show you guys those when I receive those. And, I mean, it just helps it so much better to be able to print this out. And a lot of people still ask all the time, like, what is it that I will be doing? All you're doing is helping to expand the business. That's all that you're doing. You're sending out letters. Like, you see a lot of people posting things on Facebook about different opportunities. Instead of you posting on Facebook, you're just simply sending out the company's letter is what you're doing. Let me see. You're sending out this company's letter with your cover page and all of that stuff that's attached to it. That's what you're sending out. And whenever a person likes what they've read and they want to become a part of this opportunity because they're able to make money with it, or they have experience, because you will send your letters out to people that want to buy into a business, is what you'll be sending that information out to. Is who you'll be sending that information out to. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not checked out my latest videos here on YouTube, make sure you do that. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that bell icon so you get notifications of all of the videos that I post here on YouTube. I will have more how-to videos of how to, you know, send an email, how to save a canned response email, how to create a free autoresponder, if you guys would like to see videos like that. But I tell you what, comment below this video and let me know like what type of videos, what type of training videos that you guys like to see, because I do like to give out nuggets every now and then. And yeah, of course, you know, just do that. Comment below. Make sure that you share this video with others that you feel like you may not want to do this opportunity, especially if you've already done direct mail before. But if you have not, make sure you click the link on my website. Take a look at my new website. See how it's all set up. And guys, just get started. I mean, it's really simple to get started. You know, if you have the money to get started and you can invest into yourself, because that's what you're doing. You're investing into yourself. You're not so much investing into a business, because this is for you. If you're tired of working all of those long hours, you're not able to take off when you want to take off, you can't do things with your kids and your family whenever you want to, it's time to think of something different. It's definitely time to think of something different. And this is something, direct mail has been around for a long time, guys. I'm talking about a very long time, where people just pretty much sending their offer in the mail. So once again, thank you guys for watching me open the 2 packages on Monday, just 2. So just imagine if I would have had like 7 or 8, how much I would have actually made today, or better yet, how much you could actually make if you join us with the Elite Unlimited Mailing Club and start this direct mail thing off right. This is definitely direct mail's booming season, you know, and I want to get a piece of the pie, and I definitely want to help you guys do the same exact thing. So make sure you like this video, comment on my comment on my video if you have any questions about anything when it pertains to this opportunity here, the Elite Unlimited Mailing Club, and I'll get back with you as soon as possible. I always leave my contact information in the description of my video, but if I don't answer, guys, please just text me, or if you're friends with me on Messenger, send me a message and I'll get back with you as soon as I possibly can. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.